In this lecture, we will discuss some of the important aspects of OSI layers as relevant from ethical hacking exam perspective. Let us first understand what is the OSI layer. It stands for Open System Interconnections. It describes how information from one computer moves to the another computer. It has total 7 layers and each layer manages a particular task. This task we will discuss in our subsequent slide. Let us now try to remember the sequence of each of these 7 layers. This is not only important from CEH exam perspective, but this will help you in all kind of your certification. May it be networking related certificate, security related certificate, or any computer related certificate. So I kindly request you to remember this sequence. And how to do that? You may like to remember any of these following phrase. My personal favorite is PD anti-SPA. So, layer 1 is physical, layer 2 is data, PD. Layer 3 and 4 anti, that is network and transport. And layer 5, 6, 7 SPA, that is session, presentation and application. So, PD anti-SPA. So now let us understand how data moves from one computer to another computer in our next slide. For CEH exam, we need not go into much technicalities. Just understand that when sender sends a message, it passes through following 7 layers before being sent to the receiver. Again, at the receiver end, data will flow through all the 7 layers in a reverse order. In our next slide, we will discuss what each layer does to the data. Now we will discuss functions of each layer. We will start with topmost layer, that is layer 7. It provides an interface and communicates directly with the end user. It includes the protocols that support the application. So this is related to the communication between the application and the end user. Presentation layer. It translates the data as per the format of the application. It provides services such as encryption, text compression and reformatting. Let us now move to the session layer, that is the 5th layer. It establishes a connection between the two applications and maintaining the connection and terminating the connection when required. Next layer, transport layer. End-to-end data transport service and establishes a logical connection between the two devices, ensures the reliability of data transfer to its destination, and it manages the traffic as per network congestion. Now, network layer. To insert the IP address into the packet header and route the packet to their destination, this is the function of network layer. Data link layer, to convert the electrical voltage into a data packet and to forward the same to the network layer. Similarly, a data packet received from the network layer is converted into electrical voltage and forwarded to a layer down, that is the physical layer. Now, physical layer. Physical layer converts bits into voltage for transmission. The physical layer is associated with the cables and other hardware for physical connection of the device to the network. So, we need to understand these are the basic functions of each layer. For CEH exam, you need to understand at what OSI layer some of the important devices operates. So, when question is about protocol analyzer, sniffer, you need to answer that it operates at data link layer. When question is about packet filtering firewall, you need to answer network layer. When question is about encryption and decryption, you should answer presentation layer. When question is about application level firewall, but obvious, your answer should be application layer. Let us now do quick revision about what we learned in our last slide. So, at what layer protocol analyzer sniffer operates? So, your answer should be data link layer. At what layer packet filtering firewall operates? Your answer should be network layer. Encryption, decryption happens at what layer? Yes, presentation layer. And finally, application level firewall operates at application layer. Let us now discuss some of the key aspects from exam perspective. So, first question is, at which OSI layer does the packet filtering firewall operates? We already discussed this. At network layer, that is layer 3. So, function of network layer is to insert the IP address into the packet header. So, packet filtering and the function that you can remember. Next question. At which OSI layer does the application level firewall operates? Application layer, that is the topmost layer. Next question. At which OSI layer protocol analyzer sniffer generally operates? Data link layer, that is layer 2. So this will allow them to understand the MAC addresses, frame type and other relevant information of the data. At which OSI layer email encryption and decryption happens? Presentation layer. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.